Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Alright. Okay. This one is by Belching Beaver. And it's called No Worries IPA. It's a West Coast style. And it comes in at 6.2% alcohol by volume. It's canned on 4/13/21. So, this is about under 2 weeks old. I got this at Total Wine & More for like 4 something, or no, 5 something. It's a little pricey actually for 6.2% West Coast style. Oh well, we'll see how good it is though. It better be good for $5.50 for 1 pint. It is super fresh though. My stomach, I just ate. I always do that. So if you hear it, you know why. They're from Oceanside, California. Doesn't say what hops they're using. Nope. That's what the can looks like. Here's the literature. Alright. Cool, groovy. So let's get a crack open and see what we got here. Okay. We have a huge monster frothy creamy silky head, pretty bouncy. We have a pretty much a clear amber color here. Oh, there it is. Doggy. Okay. Yep, pretty good looking West Coast style beer. Oh yeah. Okay. Boom. Okay. We'll get the rest in here now. Maybe. Not quite. Got a nice donut on top here. Okay. Alright, having fun with the beer. Yay. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, where am I at? There we go. So, pretty nice head there. Let's get a aroma on this puppy. Okay. I'm getting some kind of a malty sweetness. Really light, kind of pine. Wait a minute, something's coming through. Getting like a maltiness, almost like a cracker, or almost like a graham cracker. Yeah, it smells like a graham cracker coming through. A little tiny bit of pine. Maybe a touch of earthy kind of hops. That's pretty much what I'm getting on the aroma. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Pretty tasty. Yeah, taste follows the aroma. It's got a nice malty kind of cracker, graham cracker kind of, note coming through there. And really light, kind of, not really piney, more like earthy, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty balanced. It's very tasty, West Coast style beer. Yeah, more I think on the malty side, not in a bad way, but in a pretty good taste and malt backbone on this one. Actually, even at 6.2%, it's got a really good malt backbone to it. Really nice lacing on the glass. Yeah, more on the earthy hop side, with a really good malt backbone to it. Other than that, kind of a typical West Coast style. I think the malt shines a little bit on this one compared to a lot of the other ones, for sure. Really nice lacing on the glass there. Medium mouthfeel. It's tasty. Kind of reminds me of the old New Belgium Ranger, the original one. Kind of like that. Medium mouthfeel. It's crushable, but I think you can get I think it comes in 4-packs. I think it's a better deal when you get it in the 4-packs instead of getting the single, where they kind of tack on a couple bucks, I guess. Let me look at something real quick here. Thought I heard something. But really nice malt we got going here on this. Yeah, not bad. So I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, sip on it for a few, and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. Alright, this is pretty tasty West Coast style IPA. It's not like blowing me away or nothing. Oh, dumb commercial, man. Come on, really? Alright, there we go. Yeah. So anyways, got interrupted there. We'll swill it one more time, we'll wrap it up. Cheers. Yeah, it's got a nice little kind of caramel kind of malt coming through also now. Yeah, it's got a nice sweetness coming through. Not like overly sweet though. It's like a caramel kind of graham cracker kind of malt with the kind of earthy hops. It's pretty good. I'd say the malt backbone shines more on this one than the hops do. No man. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty tasty for, West Coast style. Pretty good. So, man, I thought I fixed that light issue. Get light, I don't know, man. There we go. All right. Anyways, pretty good. Medium mouthfeel, no booziness, no raw alcohol notes. Very well constructed. Pretty tasty West Coast style. I don't know. I'd have to see what the 4-packs are going for, but I'm not sure if I'd pay a lot of money for this. It's about the same as a budget craft beer to me. Maybe not quite as good as some of them even. So with that said, on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I'm going to give this puppy a 3.8. I think that's fair. So might as well just drink it here with you, right? Cheers. Yeah, it tastes like a 3.8 beer. Yeah. Yeah. So 3.8 it is. That's my story. I'll stick with that. Please like and subscribe. That would be really cool. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for stopping by. And hopefully you stick around and check out some more of the future videos coming up. And we will check you later. See ya.